Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to hide or remove specific or multiple shipping method when specific or multiple product categories added in cart page in WooCommerce WordPress using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in cart page and we have two products: ceramic bird from ceramic category, candle product from candle category, and then you see shipping method, flat rate, free shipping, local pickup. So we have three shipping method. So we are going to remove specific or multiple shipping method. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. So after we are going to add custom code, then we are going to remove WooCommerce shipping cache, and then you see search plugin. So right here WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet, and then you see add snippet, so click on it. So in custom code you can add one product category slug, or you can add more than one product category slug, so it's up to you. And then you see add your custom code, so click on it, and then you see select the code type. Now select PHP snippet. Now create custom snippet section, open, and then you can add title, and then you see code preview. Now paste code, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in custom code you see category slug candles, category slug 2, so you can add one category slug or 2 or 3 according to requirement. Now go to product category, and then you see name slug, so we added candle slug. Now you see, now back to code, and then you see method id array free shipping colon 28 local pickup colon 30, so you can add method id or value for shipping method according to requirement. Now go to cart page, and we are going to find out value. Now you see free shipping, right click on it, and then click on inspect element. Now inspect element open, and then you see input type, and then you see value of free underscore shipping colon 28. Now expand it, so click on it. Again you see input type radio, and then you see value local underscore pickup colon 30. So we are using these value in custom code, so you can add value according to requirement. Now close, back to code. Now you see free shipping colon 28 local pickup colon 30. Now scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. So after that we are going to remove WooCommerce shipping cache. Now snippet created and saved. Go to WooCommerce shipping zone. Now you see, so disable it, and then click on save changes. So after that we are going to enable again. Now enable, and then click on save changes again. Now save changes done. Now go to cart page and refresh the page, and then you see free shipping local pickup remove. Only you see flat rate because product from candle category exists in cart page. Now remove it. Now you see all three shipping method, free shipping, local pickup. Now click on undo again. Again you see free shipping, local pickup remove. Only you see flat rate. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.